Well, here we are in central London with a world famous view of the Thames out there. Show us your product.
These are called the SunnyCams. They're a pair of sunglasses with a HD video camera built between the eyes. The idea is that it records exactly what you see, so you're getting a true first-person perspective, and you're capturing the experience of whatever you're doing exactly how you remember it.
So the important bit, the bit that actually takes the video, that's that little hole in the centre between the two lenses.
Yep. That's where the magic happens.
And how do I turn it on?
It's quite easy. It's a one-touch control, so you basically press this button here, and then it automatically starts recording. It flashes a small light in the corner. Pop them on, and then it records everywhere that you look.
I think it's time for you to let me have a go. Thank you very much. Let's see what I can see. Looking over at the Thames, some boats going up and down. I'm videoing it, rather dismal day. Seems a bit odd to be wearing sunglasses. And this is the world famous but slightly dismal view of the Thames. But with all the focus on Google Glasses, isn't this going to seem like last year's technology? After all, it only takes video.
We've got several other products that we're launching that will be comparable to those particular products. We're trying to aim a different market than Google, so ours are more for sports and actually capturing images, whereas I think the Google Glasses is more catered towards augmented reality and a bit more like having a mobile phone built onto your head. So they're quite flimsy and fragile. They're not as rugged, so they're not going to be used in any sort of sporting capacity, which is more of a market that our products are aimed at, really.
Why go to an event like CES where there's thousands of other exhibitors, hard to get attention, where you can just put your product online?
I think for us, we wanted to, we looked for about a year of where was the best place for us to launch our worldwide brand and to launch the new products. And we looked at a few other events, and we thought that this, if you're going to be anywhere, you need to be at CES Las Vegas. So we thought that's the place where people launch everything. So that's where we needed to be. If we're realistic about trying to be a big player in this industry, that's where we needed to be.